just the boss thing and you the one that say waiting talk they all about. We're not going to start to the let you know. Say talk now talk show where we they bring out things where they happen for inside Nigeria. Even things where they happen for Obodo Yibo, we go put them on top of our small table for here and all of us go do it in, chook mouth inside and give you our own opinion. But the thing be say, you way there out there, you fit also give us your own opinion on top everywhere we go put on top the table. The level where you go need to enter now Twitter at TalkWazobia. Facebook we did there, Wazobia TV NG. Those two mediums there. Now you feel reach us on top talk. The ladies we done ready. We they happy say all of us they complete today. We they happy say every day okay with us. We're living in peace and in unity. My name na Uwi Ehigia Musoya. Go leave them in the intro. Don't cover themselves.
Yes, my name still na Betiana Unweli and I dey here Kampe Gidigba.
My name na Maka and I full ground.
How you take no go full ground? Alright, so my people they say person we get no they talk and those people we no get no then they prove say they get them plenty.
Yeah,
but my name still name can be yes. The woman we chop belle because I chop remain give her Makana.
I don't blame you.
Now you know what you is the bone do.
Some shading things.
I think the men in the house.
Alright, you know as they always be on top talk. We go start with waiting they hot. Yes, waiting they hot for inside Nigeria and also waiting they hot for Obodo Yibo. From there we go enter better manners of the day. And from there we go enter guest interview. All right, we don't come back again. As I tell you before the break, we tell you say we get one gadget guest inside the studio, and I tell you say na fine bubble. But I will give Betiana the privilege to don't cover this guest.
Don't choir.
Yes.
Don't learn new vocal.
Yeah, now new one. We dey learn them every day.
Okay. Yes, today we get better person. You not go say every day they use better
no,
person.
No, good.
But you not get who know better way they bring come our studio. Everybody when they enter the studio, there always be better person.
Confirm.
And today this person where you come here, na person where you prove to us say even when you they sing gospel, you still feel groove on top of the matter. This person where they talk about now half Lagos, half Ondo, and he don't really prove himself or inside the ministry of the Baba upstairs. Now no other person but Segun Obe.
Two fingers in the air.
Nah, for Baba God.
Yes, so.
Say I sit down next to beautiful ladies. In fact, see I wear glasses because I dey intimidated. So I don't feel come on my glasses. I want to my people. Peace sign.
Yes,
peace to Nigeria, peace to the world. One love. That's all.
Segun, what's they happen now? How you doing?
Thank God.
I like us you did by my side.
Baba God, they push us. You see?
Yes.
I
need to replace Amaka. I know if you just leave Amaka.
Make a people touch you with my shoulder.
Yes.
I mean, shoulder. No, shoulder be this. This one na elbow. So we don't.
No jealous us for house. No worry.
No jealous.
Okay, right now, one thing where I need to establish for on top of this show.
Yes, sir.
I know say you don't dare used to they go other stations, other places. They ask you say, okay, your music, your this, your that. Here, they're very different.
Wow, make her relax.
Here, we don't turn you to our brother.
Oh boy.
So what if we discuss with our brothers and sisters while now we they ask?
Nice one.
You don't ready?
Full ground remains safe.
So right now, Segun, I want to know this thing. You know, say all of us we get bad habits. I want to know that bad habit where you say you know say it bad, but you still did do one.
Wow. Well,
and we know they lie on top.
No, I know they lie. When I chop finish, I know they get up immediately to clear my plate. You know, normally you supposed get up, go wash your plate. When I even finally clear the plate finish, I go just drop her for kitchen, go back to living room, they do it and they go. If na studio they work, they go. So those are things where we say they try correct for my small. No, be say I did very hygienic. If I be like say I get OCD, I don't know.
But for that plate matter.
But for that plate matter, I know they understand. All the plate don't enter kitchen. I go just turn my back.
Those way they have, like when OCD na obsessive compulsive disorder. Now people will be say they don't like make things. Then they get particular
the way they want
yes, they want meet and like that. Then they very obsessive.
All right, make I bring down come. Since you don't call food on, make I just bring this one come. I be like say you like food. You dey enjoy food. Tell me the food where you did. Tell me food where you did really enjoy for Nigeria. The local one.
You know, they know they pound yam again.
Hey,
I mean, they know they pound yam again. They pain me. And now they mix them. They call them mixing something, I don't know.
Okay.
Yam powder.
And they like it when they pound the thing. When the yam enter the thing, they pour water, pound down the thing, they
But that
oh
one
my
a
God.
punishment. All of us don't grow. Our
Babe,
parents grow.
Ondo
up
people know
those
they
days.
use pounded yam plain. Now they
I
food.
know, I know.
Then find me soup where they born again, you know.
Which soup in particular?
Which soup they born
I
again?
like Eddie Kaikon.
Oh,
Bam, I mean that.
All right, since you talk that one, if you be food, apart from that
If
pounded
me,
yam,
I be food.
yes, now wait.
Oh my yeah. I don't dey feel now.
if you be food, which one you go want me then call you?
Salad. Salad.
Why?
A salad get orishi. You know, they colorful.
Okay.
They get orishi condiments inside.
Okay.
But I don't know what condiments be. You get orishi be the same thing.
Obstacles.
Obstacles.
Yeah.
I
You
like
fit dey chop
onion,
cucumber.
tomato, cucumber, all those things. They merged inside one. It be like art.
Okay.
You know, say art. You need to bring different ideas,
different
come
things.
form something with.
So if you be food, you go want
Nah,
to
maybe
become
that.
salad.
But-
So today for this show, we go call him Shegun
Obey salad.
SOS. Confirm. So make I ask you this question now.
That's it.
Man, not talk on a lighter note because you get one particular person where would they give lighter note to? Amaka. I don't say you don't meet her. So now, on top your spec for woman,
Oh boy.
you like them with natural hair or you like with the Brazilian, the weavon?
Peruvian.
Now, make I settle down because you know I see the okay, I see the market too.
He's still in the market, ladies.
Yes, sir.
So, but for me, I dey like natural things.
Okay.
But then again, it depends on how the person puts himself together. Sometimes these Brazilian things they come out nicely.
Okay.
But for me, if you get long hair and it ain't natural, I just feel say you get many things what you feel do with them. Maybe say it will come out, looking really natural. And most of the time, you go to see women, they do like this. They don't sweat on top finish. The thing don't make it. So, and amigo when I want to kiss my baby head, I'll call the smell things. I don't want to smell things.
No, not be smell. That time, memory card they boost.
Hey, see how they defend on herself. Women. So, but for me, natural, they do all those things. Not just natural
Okay, so
things.
I want to ask you one last question like this. Not be last start because other questions still fear arise. Okay, so Shagun, so say you don't already tell us say you day market. For instance, now you can't get new babe. No worry, no, you are safe.
Okay.
You get new babe like this. Where be the place where you go take and where you say you go they very casual?
Me, I go stylishly ask him. Because, babe go get in preference. If you decide, say, you want to take him, go watch movie or theater, whatever they call her, maybe say she don't even really want to watch any movie. She just want to hang out with you. She want to talk. Sometimes it's better say, babe, the first time when you meet them, may not talk about things where concern on her too, while on a one day together. So that if you walk out from that day on, I'm going to say, I know they like defined things. You understand? So if I carry babe go watch movie or go do these things, they distracting because not be only on a 2 day.
Yes.
The first date make it busy only on a 2 first. When I first know on herself, align on herself together. Everything will follow.
So we're actually talking about your musical career before we go on this short break. Then when we come back, we go enter one level where I know say you go enjoy. Now, this Aka what we just watching, I be like saying a new release.
Bam.
You shoot out for inside Nigeria or abroad?
Actually, I just come back from tour USA. I come back last week Thursday from Atlanta. But I just shoot them just before I come out. I shoot them about 3 months ago. So I've been out for 3 months basically. For me, I know they like to. People go think say I do that kind of song because I want belong to waiting they happen for Nigerian entertainment industry now. I say no. Now as inspiration hits me now they record. If not to sing they call me R. Kelly. Thank you. If not to sing no, not true.
Yes,
I'm a voice coach. I'm a voice coach.
But please, what's in the happen today?
I didn't take Amaka place. Leave me.
Okay, we hear you.
I dey train voices, I'm a voice coach. And apart from that also I be singer. So but sometimes music feel no come. I dey try I be my pidgin. Music feel no come the way I expect them. Say make it hit me. But anyhow way it come I dey take them. And I can't just hit it is like with this studio, me and my producer. And I just hear the beat. I say, boy, still not Igbo. And I don't even sabi speak Igbo. Make I even tell her that one. I not sabi speak Igbo. But the inspiration just come as I hear the beat, say this song, Igbo must there. Now I call some of my Igbo. If you they interested in something, where you they call, not be say you they follow money. I don't do this thing for over 20 years.
Wow.
So not be saying that yesterday I entered this thing. So I not there here, even when money no day, we day. It's about commitment to waiting I believe in. And this is not my life. Music not my life. So we enter the studio, now I say, guy, Igbo. I pay Igbo guys. Make them come and stand for my front like this. I begin to tell them, okay, I get them. They say, no, do them again.
So you can't do training on top the whole...
Until me where they train, I sit down and humble myself, then train me.
Wow.
And that's what life be. You don't know everything.
Okay, my people for house, una know as we dey do am. I want to make Shego give me voice training now.
No,
and I don't want me una see am. Wait, I don't want me una see am. So we go run, go break. And when we come back, don't forget we say we still get talk the talk and do the do.
All right, so don't come back on top of the talk, and we get Segun Obey for studio. When I know say Betiana, when she hold you for work, when Betiana hold you for work, I tell you must do the do. You go talk the talk, and you go do the do.
Yeah.
All right, so don't reach that gang period. Make her hand over to Betiana because I know say she be capable to handle this one.
Mrs. Capable. That be Banky W capable.
Yeah, let's go there, Betiana.
Okay, so Segun, every time on top of our show, we get task, you get game. Anyone where you want to call on, we always give our guests. And because today, you be man way day after my heart.
Ooh.
I won't feed you.
Thank you, Lord. I just want.
I won't feed you. Maybe say you go chop, you go belly phone.
No,
Yeah.
so
So let's bring it out now.
Yes.
And because he talks,
Let's
say
bring
in
it
the like
for real.
Let's
Oh, boy. See what out.
here for you.
Oh my
Oh
God.
yeah, Betiana, open now.
Lekendo.
Segun.
I dey speak in tongue.
I go treat you like Ondo woman they treat husband.
Now, Father,
I go
dear, my
serve
talk,
you.
not be.
No, that
Don't be as my money rich, I
yeah,
go
put
do.
up.
True.
Now Gary Betiana carry
Not
come.
be a goosey.
don't
No,
do.
No, now when I don't get money, there with me say if I blow, we go
Even
get
now one
together.
naira.
Yes.
Okay,
So Segun, this food way there your front, I want you finish on the
No sugar, nothing. This
10
guy
seconds.
with
You
the
want for
Nigerians.
me?
This guy suffer head though.
Okay.
Okay,
Make us
I go
have
tell you what they don't. Hey!
You don't reach.
You don't do.
Okay.
Hey!
Okay, I give him.
My people, now punishment I come. Oh.
Take it over.
I think say they invite me, make I come
10
show.
seconds.
10 seconds.
9.
No, now wait.
The body Gary no so
Yes.
Betiana. Which kind
Come on.
wife you be?
Make it start first.
You don't start now.
You don't take the
Let's
letter.
start.
10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4,
Don't there.
3, 2,
No.
1.
I don't want to end my career for here. I not do.
Oh, but this is sweet, man.
No sugar.
See, Segun, I'd be very, very good
Sugar
person.
not
A
there.
healthy
Sugar
living.
not
Sugar
there.
for your
sugar no good for you.
They good.
It no good for you. It go make you too hyper.
Thank you. I like her. I want hyper.
Okay, Segun, thank you very, very much.
We appreciate you.
Bunch.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate you.
I just want to tell you something. We get one gift for you.
Wow.
Now, the gift says, you get one particular person we know they are. I'm not saying you meet them. Since you say you get market, on a lighter note, since
We
you
don't
say
know
you
the
get
kind of
market.
spec where you want, but
Why
we
not?
But we
Just
go
say.
voluntarily give you this one.
Yes.
Hey.
Amaka is her name.
Okay, where she did now? She don't travel.
she did outside. No, she did outside.
As you dey go, she dey your car.
She not drink garri with me.
You go be the one to give her. Now be
go
me give
drink
you
garri
garri.
with me.
Yes,
She go drink
now.
Gary with you, even
She
without
go
sugar.
there.
Any level.
All levels.
Yes.
You go drink her.
I don't accept.